everyone, I am Lakshmi from Hyderabad. I am one of the lead yoga and Pilates trainer at Bodhi School of Yoga. I've been practicing yoga since 5 years. In 2019, when I was looking to pursue a healthy profession for my career, fortunately, I got to know about Bodhi and I had completed my advanced yoga teacher training there. Immediately after finishing my training, I got an opportunity to work with Bodhi. And since then, it's been 3 years that I am working with Bodhi, and it's really a pleasure and fantastic professional experience with Bodhi. I have got many chances to enhance my knowledge, and each and every moment I've been enjoying in family atmosphere. And today I can say I feel very proud and blessed to be part of Bodhi.